Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your screenshots on your Steam Deck. So if you just took a screenshot pressing Steam plus R1, it's going to say down here, but we want to press the Steam button when we're in the game, and we want to scroll on down to where it says Media. Tap this, and this is where you can see your video recordings and your screenshots. So I got some screenshots of Rocket League in here. And it will give you the options on the bottom. Select game, filter, options, A or back. So let's go back to Kingdom Come Deliverance if we can. Looks like this game kind of froze on me. So let's just press the Steam button. So if this freezes, we can just hold down the power button right here and just turn it off, and then just reboot it. And then we can go back to the game. So it's easy to go ahead and view your screenshots. We can go back now. And it looks like it was saving something in Kingdom Come Deliverance. Maybe that's why it was kind of hitching a little bit. And here is a video recording of me playing the game just a few moments ago. Then I can switch back over to the game. So it's very easy to see your screenshots. And then let's switch back to the game. And let's just choose an option here. This is a good game, Kingdom Come Deliverance. Go ahead and try it out. It's fun. I only bought it for like $4 in the Steam Marketplace or whatever. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.
Someone like you can't just walk up bold as you please and demand an audience.
I know, Sir Adzik, and I didn't bring him his sword as I was supposed to. I must